Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about all the upcoming airdrops for Celestia stakers. So before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. So the first on the list is Milky Way. So basically over here you will need to stake your TIA tokens on the Osmosis network in order to receive Milk TIA. Now if we scroll down and check in the frequently asked questions. So this question is, will I qualify for TIA airdrops if I stake with Milky Way? So the answer is we are working on a solution to distribute airdrop tokens to Milk TIA holders and will share more details once it's confirmed. So hopefully there would be a lot of airdrops on the Milky Way. Now over here you will need to stake your TIA tokens in order to receive Milk TIA. Now once you receive this Milk TIA, you can head to Livana protocol and you can deposit this Milk TIA that you have got from staking on the Milky Way to earn some additional rewards. So the current APR for this is like 22%. Now the second airdrop that is upcoming is Hyperjack. So Hyperjack is an AI driven Telegram bot for blackjack. So over here they have something called as a leaderboard. So if you want to go ahead and play this game, you can go ahead and play this game on the Telegram. And if we check the Twitter, as you can see, we have released a new feature for Hyperjack, airdrop points leaderboard. So basically more you play on Hyperjack, the more points you earn and the more airdrops you would be eligible for. Now the third airdrop is Altlayer. So Altlayer is already there in the market, and if you have staked your Celestia tokens in the past, you can go to airdrop.altlayer.io and select Celestia over here and just put in your Celestia address and you can check if you are eligible for this airdrop or not. Now the registration is live for only 10 days, so you have to be quick if you want to go ahead and claim this Altlayer airdrop if you are eligible. Now the last airdrop that I am going to talk about is Movement. So this airdrop would be from the Movement Labs, and if we go to their website over here, you can start building on Movement Lab. So if I click over here, so they have this form where you can build different application, I think so, even roll-ups. So you can just put in the name of the project, email address. So Movement Labs is also doing an airdrop for the Celestia stakers. So these are all the upcoming airdrops for the Celestia stakers, and in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.